Ideal replacement, specifically engineered to be direct match for original drum brake wheel cylinder on particular vehicles. Material, cast iron. Cost-effective fix, replacement of cylinder while servicing drum brakes is fastest, surest way to ensure brake performance. Quality materials, made with high-quality EPDM rubber cups and boots for long-lasting performance. Professionally tested, wheel cylinder bores are surface tested to ensure an optimum sealing surface for the pressure cups. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. This direct replacement drum brake wheel cylinder was specifically engineered to match the fit, function and performance of the original wheel cylinder on particular vehicles. It is manufactured and tested for quality assurance. Top reviews from the United States. Wheel cylinder. The price is low, it fit on me 99 Ford F150 V8 quarters.6L. It works good and no leaking, I replace on both side.